Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Wave, a relatively new personal finance platform that's been getting a lot of attention lately. I've been using Wave for a few months now, and I'm really impressed with it. In this video, I'm going to share my experience with Wave and tell you whether or not I think it's a good option for personal finance. What is Wave? Before we get into the details, let's talk about what Wave is. Wave is a free online accounting and bookkeeping platform that's designed for small businesses and freelancers. However, it can also be used for personal finance. Wave offers a variety of features, including income and expense tracking. You can track your income and expenses using Wave's income and expense tracking feature. This feature allows you to categorize your transactions, track your spending over time, and create reports. Invoicing. Wave's invoicing feature allows you to create and send invoices to your clients. You can also track your invoices and see which invoices have been paid. Tax preparation. Wave's tax preparation feature allows you to file your taxes online. Wave will even help you choose the right tax forms and calculate your taxes. Payroll. Wave's payroll feature allows you to pay your employees. You can also track your employees' hours and pay stubs. Accounting. Wave's accounting feature allows you to track your finances in more detail. You can create custom reports, track your assets and liabilities, and more. My experience with Wave. Now that we know what Wave is, let's talk about my experience with it. I've been using Wave for personal finance for about 6 months now. Overall, I've been very happy with it. One of the things I like most about Wave is that it's free. There are no hidden fees or subscription costs. This makes it a great option for people who are on a tight budget. Another thing I like about Wave is that it's easy to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, and there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Wave also offers a variety of features that are helpful for personal finance. For example, you can track your income and expenses, create budgets, and track your net worth. Overall, I think Wave is a great option for personal finance. It's free, easy to use, and offers a variety of features that can help you manage your finances. Is Wave right for you? Now that you know my experience with Wave, you may be wondering if it's right for you. I think Wave is a good option for anyone who is looking for a free and easy-to-use personal finance platform. However, it's important to note that Wave is not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're looking for a more comprehensive personal finance platform, you may want to consider other options. Here are some things to keep in mind when deciding whether or not to use Wave. Your budget. If you're on a tight budget, Wave is a great option because it's free. Your needs. If you need a more comprehensive personal finance platform, Wave may not be the right choice for you. Your technical skills. Wave is easy to use, but it does require some basic computer skills. Overall, I think Wave is a great personal finance platform. It's free, easy to use, and offers a variety of features that can help you manage your finances. If you're looking for a free and easy-to-use personal finance platform, I highly recommend giving Wave a try. Here are a few additional tips for using Wave for personal finance. Categorize your transactions. This will help you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Create budgets. Budgets can help you stay on track with your financial goals. Track your net worth. This will help you see how your finances are doing over time. Use the Wave community. The Wave community is a great resource for getting help and support. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Wave and whether or not it's a good option for personal finance. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.